The weekly code quiz. What element is used when you have an illustration, diagram, graph, infographic, chart, or code snippet that is different from the image element? The figure element. What optional element is used with the figure element? The fig caption element. The figure and fig caption are used together so that the figure, its caption, and contents work as a single unit. How is using figure different from other elements used to define images? The main content can reference a figure, but it can be moved to another part of the document, such as an appendix, without affecting the meaning of the main content. What other element acts similarly to figure? The aside element. Why? Because it is considered a self-contained unit of content that is related but not part of the main content. How is figure different from aside? A figure element has a built-in captioning mechanism that an aside does not. Content in an aside also tends to be tangentially related to the main content, so figure information has a closer supportive relationship to the main content. How is fig caption used with figure? The fig caption is within the figure element and it is either first or last. Here are some basic examples of a figure element in use. An illustration without a caption. We see that within the figure opening tag and the figure closing tag, we have an image element with the source, alt, and title attributes defined. An illustration with a caption. This is similar to the previous example, except that after the image element, you now see a fig caption opening tag, the contents of the caption, and then the fig caption closing tag. Presented by Designers Learn Code.